we need to do some work on the sign-up forms, because people need to have nice messages when they sign up to your list or do anything in your list. So to do that, you go to sign up forms, and you'll see there's quite a few options here. I'm only going to show you how to use the general forms. It's probably the only one that you'll need, except for you might like to have a look at the Facebook form. And if you do expos or trade shows, you might want to have a look at this tablet form. I'll just click on here to show you what this is. You can collect email addresses and store them even when you're not online on your iPad or your tablet, and then when you connect, it's going to send all the addresses to Mailchimp, so that could be a good thing for you to use. We're not going to look at that now, but I just wanted to show you that that was one of the things that you can do here. So we're going to look at general forms, so let's select. And you'll see that there are several types of form here. If you click on here, there's a sign up form with alerts, sign up thank you page, opt-in confirmation. So there's a whole lot, and you can personalize all of these forms. You probably won't need them all, but you need to make this look professional. So we'll go to the sign up form first and have a little look at it. This is your special URL to your sign up form. So you can copy and paste this. You can give this form, give this URL to people, and it will take them to your sign up form so they can put themselves on your list. But we'll do some more with that a little bit later. So here we are. It's extremely plain. We've done nothing with it yet, and we want people to be able to sign up for themselves. So we need to, we're in build it at the moment. We might want to add a little message. You can write whatever you like here. I'm just making something up. You can think of something that's welcoming and that makes people want to sign up. So when people click to actually come and sign up to your list, they'll see the message. They'll see the information that needs to be put in. So the email address is required. Actually, you can't be on the list without the email address, and you can make first name required as well. So when you click on a field, you'll see that the settings for that particular field come up on the right hand side. This is first name. Field tag is F name. We'll talk about those later. And then we can say this is required. So click on here, save field. And now you'll see that there's a little star there. So this must be entered, otherwise they can't continue. You probably don't really need their last name. You can live without some of these bits of information, but you need the first name. You decide what you want to have included. You might want to include that they have to give you the phone number or the address. Now with first name as well, this is the field that we're going to use to personalize everything. So it's going to say Dear Mary, and it gets the word Mary from the first name field, obviously. Now sometimes people could fall through the cracks and not put their first name there. For some reason, maybe they've managed to slip through. So just to make sure that everything's going to still look okay, you can put a default merge tag value here. So instead of it saying Dear nothing, it will say Dear something. Save field. So if it can't find the word Mary or whatever first name, Mailchimp will say Dear Beauty Lover. Status, you probably don't want them to be able to put anything into here. This is for you to keep track of people. So if they're a non-buyer, for example, you can put that there. Once they buy, you can come in and change this. So we click on status, we can see that we're now editing the status field, and we can say we want this hidden. We don't want people to see this. So that's going to be now hidden. People won't see it. This is all that they will see to be able to subscribe.